File sharing among devices under same network is not a big deal, but it has so many options available that may make you confused. To do this job, in many operating systems like Windows, Linux variants, and Mac OS might have pre-installed application, but when file transfer between computer to mobile phone like Android or iPhone, it may appear some sort of complicated task. Cloud service like AirDroid and some file manager for a smartphone allow file transfer in between computer and phone. But here we discuss an application which is not so popular but easier than these applications. And it's not proprietary. It's free and open source. So no need to worry about malicious activity. You can transfer seamlessly any kind of file and document using this tiny application. No need to install it in your phone. Just install it in computer. No matter Windows, Linux or Mac you are using. Let's discuss the method step by step. This application name is qrc. You can find it from its creator's GitHub page. Just search it in your PC browser. Follow the instruction described in this page. We are going to use it in our Windows PC. This installation is very easy. Download exe file and install it. Another method to install by PowerShell. Command is very simple. Go to the page and scroll down for for the instruction for installing in Windows PC. Then find the exe file for Windows. Click on it to download. It's a very tiny file. From this PowerShell, to install from this PowerShell, open PowerShell in your Windows PC and write down this command: scoop install qrc. qrc is the application we are using to transfer file between PC and Android phone. Look, I have already installed it. If you want to update the qrc, write this command: scoop update qrc. Look that you might have installed the Git application because it will be updated from this Git repository. But if you don't have scoop package manager, install it from this page. Click this hyperlink. Copy this line. Paste it in PowerShell. And if it is first time to install application in PowerShell, you may have to give permission remote script. For that, copy this line and run it in PowerShell. Then install the qrc. Running this command, scoop install qrc. Now qrc is ready to transfer file. To send file, first ready the file or files you want to transfer to your mobile phone. Go to this folder. Yes, I want to transfer these files, these image files. Then write down qrc and the file name you want to transfer it. A QR code will appear like this. Scan this, scan it by opening your phone camera. Then tap this pop-up. It will open in your default browser and will be downloaded the file automatically and instantly. It's very fast. Look, this file I have received from my computer. You can transfer several files at a time. To do this, just write down qrc and the file names. Next step, same as the previous. It may be received as zip file. Now you can send a whole folder. Here we will send these 3 images, the flowers, into a folder. Create a folder named flower and put these image files in this folder. Then send to mobile phone like this, qrc space this folder name. Look, we have received this. To make a file zip before transfer, just write down like this, -zip, the file names or the folder name. Now we want to receive file or folders from our mobile phone to our computer. To do this, just write down qrc space receive, then scan this QR code. Your browser in mobile phone will be open automatically. Then attach this file from your mobile file manager. You may have to give it's the permission. Okay, I want to receive this PDF file. Look this file we have received, the PDF file. Now, to receive file to a specific directory in our computer, write down qrc receive dash dash output equal to the drive name. Here we want to do this in our D drive. Then scan this QR code. Attach this file or folders. Want to receive again the PDF file. Look, this PDF file is received in our D drive. Yeah, that's it. That's it. For other operating system, reads the instruction given in the page, in the GitHub page. It's not difficult to understand. It's very, very easy. For Linux, like for Linux, go to this release page. You can have a Debian file, Debian package file for Debian based Linux distribution like Ubuntu or Linux Mint, etc. And you can also install it Mac OS. Just follow this instruction. And for other Unix based operating system like BSD, Arch Linux, etc. It's very, very easy.